Hi guys, my name is Gautam Rajpurohit and I am from SD Jain College. My roll number is 699 and my division is F. Insurance is a means of protection from financial loss. It is a form of risk management primarily used to hedge against the risk of contingent or uncertain loss. Gambling is the wagering of money or something of value on an event with an uncertain outcome, with the primary intent of winning money or material goods. Gambling thus requires three elements to be present: first, consideration; second, risk; and third, prize. Difference between insurance and gambling. The first is enforceable. In insurance, a contract of insurance is legal and enforceable by law. In gambling, a wagering contract has no legality or enforceability. The second is utmost good faith. In every insurance contract, duty of utmost good faith is to be observed. In gambling, no such duty is observed in a wagering contract. The third is protection. Insurance contract provides protection. In gambling, a wagering contract does not provide any protection. The fourth is insurable interest. In insurance, insurance interest must exist in every insurance contract. In gambling, no insurable interest exists in a wagering contract. 5 is indemnity. In insurance, the principle of insurance applies to all insurance except life insurance. In gambling, no such principle is applied to a wagering contract. Sixth is happening of event. In insurance, an insured event may or may not happen at all except in life insurance. In gambling, the event is bound to happen. Seventh is immunity. In an insurance contract, the insured is immune from loss provided it is adequate. In wagering contract, either party may win or lose. Eighth is scope. Scope of insurance is limited compared to a wagering contract. In gambling, here the scope is unlimited. Ninth is object. In insurance, the object of insurance is to provide protection. In gambling, the object is to win or to lose. Tenth is in the insurance, there is a risk before insurance contract. In gambling, there is no risk at the time of contract.